I'm too excited to contain this. I have 3 different designs. I hand designed all of these from the old noggin. I worked hard on my little Procreate. I barely knew how to use Procreate when I started this whole merch design journey, and seeing all of these designs come to life was honestly the most exciting thing in being able to wear them. They're definitely things that you could see me like hand painting on my hydro flask, or you know, painting literally anywhere, because we know I love painting stuff. Further than that, I love the meaning behind all of these. They're all about spreading positivity, and the word I focused it around was beloved, which I absolutely love because love. It just focuses on the fact that you are so loved, something so easily forgotten. So hopefully when you wear it, you feel very loved and it can spread positivity. There's nothing I love more than when I see someone, you know, maybe I'm at the grocery store, Trader Joe's, maybe I'm at Joann's, and I see someone with a cute little hoodie and I like to read it, and if it spreads a positive message and reaches my heart a little bit, that just makes my day. So hopefully someone will read your back, see that they're so loved also, you know, also see the cute design while they're at it. I'm gonna show you just one of my designs right here. They are champion hoodies made by Teespring. So this is what the front of it looks like. It just says beloved in this little flower, and then this is the back, which I think the back goes crazy. It just says you are so loved, and I'm putting up the 2 other designs here. Unfortunately they're in the wash because, you know, perfect timing with me, but I've been wearing them all the time. Soft, these are super comfy. As you can see, this is like, that's just so me. Butterflies, flowers, literally me in a hoodie. I love everything about it. I would love to twin with you guys, so if you would like to check it out and support, of course the link is going to be down below. It's also in the store tab of my channel and also in the bio of my Instagram, but sure to check it out soon because it's only going to be around for 2 weeks, so sales will be ending on the 18th of April. So please be sure to check it out. It really means the world to me. Yeah, but I'm so excited about that. I mean, you can probably tell.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.